Liberty High School photography students visited the banana factory and steel stacks on Wednesday, December 5th. The banana factory has been a huge part of Bethlehem. The organization runs numerous programs to educate kids in the arts. On this visit, the banana factory was introducing its initiative, Built by Bethlehem, to Liberty's photography classes. Before the students explored the banana factory, Liberty High School art teacher Mrs. McFadden explained to the photography students their assignment. They have to find 4 artworks that speak to them and sketch it out on their worksheet. There are many different artists on display, including Stephen Wolfe, Khalil Alake, David Summers, Richard Begbie, Lauren Kuhn, Angie Snyder-Land, Leah Francis, and Melissa Paramus. After lunch, students met with Bruce Ward, an artist and photographer with the banana factory, who would give the class a tour of Bethlehem Steel. Many years ago, Bethlehem was known for its steel production, which eventually was distributed not only throughout the United States, but around the world. Ward, who once worked at Steel, gave the younger generation the opportunity to learn about life working at the company when it was still a vital, vibrant part of the city. The photography students took pictures of what was left of the Bethlehem Steel complex to document the city's history. Today, Bethlehem is not only an industrial town, but more of a city rediscovering itself through the arts.